Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 15th, 2022. Has Fantom bottomed? Because if it's bottomed, then we need to come through and start buying the descriptive currency. Would you agree? Well, we're going to talk about that today on this video. I'm here. This is HueFin. I'm also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can already see I got one on the chart for Fantom to where I was predicting the price to go down. Where here we are today. I want to try to see if the market in Fantom has bottomed, because if so, then I'm going to do a price prediction looking for the market to go up so that you and I both can be in position and win. You guys want to continue to win? You guys need to join this team. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I want every one of you, all of my team members, to get the heads up as to where I'm seeing these prices go so that you and I can profit from it. So make sure you all do that as we continue to win and dominate. So check this out. Like I said, I did a video in Fantom on April the 30th. Okay, so let me zoom on this price chart, and I want you all to see what happened in terms of price movement. So here it is, Fantom, April the 30th. I told you all then to be prepared for the price to go down, and we wanted to see buyers hold the trend. That is why I got my ultimate TP price right here on this ascending line. That's 32% though. Like, that's very good in terms of profitability for us to grab 32% out the market. Now, obviously, the market decided to break trend. Now, we don't want that, but it did anyway. Okay, this trend started all the way back here since January 2021. So it's been a year or so, and the market has decided to break it. So if we were to get out the market now in Fantom, our profitability would be around 55%. Simple. I did the video on April the 30th. Here it is, May the 15th, 55%. I was telling you all then. And here we are today. All right, so let me get rid of that. Let me go ahead and get rid of this arrow. And I want us to try to determine, have we hit bottom in Fantom? Let's try to make that determination, because if we are no longer in a upward trend, if we're not following this trend line, if we broke it to the downside, then yeah, we don't need to expect price to go up right now. We don't. So let's keep it real. Let's look at the market for what it is, what it's been showing us, and we'll begin to see where we're trying to go. So I'm going to take this horizontal line now, and we're going to create a very good area to where we suspect the market is going to find the buyers, right? So this is bottom, right here in Fantom. Okay. Now I do see another area to which the market in Fantom could possibly find bottom, and it's right there around 30 cents. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw this area, because I want you all to gauge where are we finding the buyers. Okay, so we're around 30 cents, and then the next level is around 18, maybe 19 cents. Okay, so we're going to try to focus in on these two areas. We want to see if the buyers are at these two locations, because if so, then that means we could come in and buy it and expect the price to go up. Okay, so yes, have the buyers came through the market in Fantom around this particular area? Yes, they have, which is very good for us to see. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this one. I want us to focus in on this 20 cent, 25 cent level. Okay. Now, so far, so good for us to see Fantom begin to go up in price. I say that because as I zoom in on this price chart, I want everyone to see how massive the volume came through in Fantom the last couple of trading days. Look at that. Look at all of that volume. Somebody came through and felt that Fantom was attractive at this price, and they came through and scooped it all up. Was it you? Did you come in and buy Fantom at these levels? Because somebody did. Now, it doesn't mean that we're through with price going down, because look how massive this downturn is. Like, if this is not a bearish market, I don't know what is. The market in Fantom completely fell off. So we may not have found bottom. This could just be a bottom for just a small span of time, which is why I'm not going to come through and give you all no 5-year price target. That's ridiculous. So now we established that the buyers did come through so far in Fantom, right? Now, Yes, we've seen the volume increase, but look at this one. Look at this 2-day price bar right there. We're still seeing some selling coming to the market in Fantom. Like, a lot of the volume is not buy volume. There's still some selling volume mixed in over the last 4 trading days. That's not a good sign, because even though we may be expecting the market in Fantom to go up, we're going to have to be realistic in how high we think it's going to go, because there's still some sellers here in Fantom. Okay. This is Fantom on the 5-day. So this volume stands out. Like, we haven't seen this much volume come into Fantom since this 5-day price bar back in September of last year, to where we was in this bullish run. So this is Fantom right on the weekly. Okay. So let's see. Let's try to determine how high can we see the market go in Fantom. Are we really that bullish? So I'm looking at this on the hourly time frame, and you guys can see that from a 7-hour chart, around 40 cents is holding back the buyers. That is where restriction is. So we cannot be that bullish. That's 7 hours. Look at this on a 3-hour chart. Can you all see this? I mean, are you massively bullish in Fantom when you see price get rejected twice around 40 cents? We got rejected twice. That tells me that that's where sellers are at. So this is what's going to continue to push price up in Fantom right here. Us keeping in line with this trend. So are you looking for price to go up? That's the question. Because you can see from this hourly perspective that this is where the issue is at. We're seeing the market in Fantom do this. Now, as we get closer and closer, will the market break out or will it break down? That is yet to be determined. So currently, I do suspect that the market in Fantom is trying to go up. Yes, it is. The buyers are trying to lift price, but it's not too convincing. It's not convincing to where I feel comfortable dropping a price prediction on my chart. Can I see it happening? Yes, I will say a 35% chance of us letting this price go up in Fantom. I don't see a lot of strength here on these charts. All right. So let's see if it's worth me putting on a price prediction in Fantom. For us to go back up to around 40.5 cents, that's around 13% moving higher from where price currently is. We could live with that, can't we? Is that decent for us to deploy our soldiers into the battle to come back with 13%? Like, is that something that's doable? Would you do that? Or would you keep your soldiers at home and let them go out to gain more profitability? Which one would you rather do? Because I'm here to not only give you price predictions. If I don't see one, I don't put them on the chart. Now, we got 8 hours and 46 minutes left. Okay. And what I'm seeing so far into the market in Fantom from a daily perspective is, yes, I'm looking for the price to go up. So let me go ahead and do this. Now, am I massively confident that price is going to go exceedingly higher? No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm just going to keep it real. I think this is just a small stay. Like, the market buyers are not convinced that this is emphatically the bottom. I don't see that right now. Now, my first price target, like I told you, was around 40.5 cents, right? That would have given us what? 13.5%. That's my first price target. And if we don't get that right here, it's going to be on a short time frame. So if you don't see this video after the market has already hit 40.5 cents, hey, I have nothing to do with that. That's why I'm telling you all to hit that bell notification. So that's my first price target. Okay. My second one's going to be up there around 45. Maybe a little bit lower. Like 43, almost 44 cents. That's my second price target. So we got 40.5 cents. And then 44 cents is my second price target. That's how high I'm going to go. I'm not going to expect the market in Fantom to really go higher than that right now, until I see more buyers confirmation come through. Okay. Because if I see more buyers confirmation come through, then check this out. I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Fantom try to come up here towards 50. And that's 44% moving to the upside. Now, I'm not looking forward to that right now. So let me pull that back down because I don't want people to think that I'm looking for the market to go up there. Even though as time goes on and we see more buying come through, then yeah, the next stop point is 50 cents. All right, so I got 40.5 cents first and then around 44 cents second as my price target. Now, it's not a lot, but I'm still looking forward to the market in Fantom going up to those levels. You know what? Let me push it up there to 50 cents. I'll do that. Okay, I'll do that. So that's it. It's your turn. Go ahead and drop a price prediction and price target into the market for Fantom. Where do you all suspect the price is going to go as we trade throughout the month of May going into June? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.